Is to say that humming noise in the background is not any of the fans up here, it's that little brown Evergo downstairs. We're pretty much standing right above it. I can actually feel the thing vibrating in the floor, so I think I'm standing on it. Oh well. The white pendant on the reverse switch on the fan is the correct pendant. That black one and the brass one are not. And that string is. The string came with the light kit. But it had a little hunter pendant on it. Not that brass thing you see on it. I just thought it looked better, so I put it on. Closet door was stabbing me in the back. The reason that it's got a pull chain reverse is because it's an outdoor fan. This fan runs constantly. It's always on updraft on low speed 24/7. It never gets turned off. So if it looks rather dirty in this video, that's because it is. Hasn't been cleaned in about 2 months. It needs it. Definitely no complaints about this ceiling fan though. It's a very quiet fan. And it's got unbeatable airflow. It's just excellent. Nothing like an original, but it's still pretty good. I wish I had an original. Love to have an original. This fan came from Home Depot. Very slow low speed on this fan too, like I'm gonna say somewhere around probably 50-60 RPMs. It's really slow. Slower than any other fan in this whole house. Or any other fans that were installed in my room. I'm not going to show the whole coast down of this fan because it's just got an extremely long coast down time. Because those blades are solid plastic and they're very heavy. This fan probably coasts for like 4 or 5 minutes. It coasts for forever. I'll show you guys 1 minute of coast down though. Well, maybe not 4 or 5 minutes, but definitely at least 2. Oh, screw it. If you don't want to see the whole goes done, you can skip ahead in the video. I am going to video it though. The light is actually coming from outside right now because it's actually, for once, a rather nice day out. A scrap trailer. Don't worry, you didn't miss anything interesting. Just a bunch of coasting blades. There will be some lawnmower videos coming up soon. I really need to start making like some lawnmowers and engine videos and stuff. After all, my channel is called The Fan Mower, man. Didn't name it like that for a reason. Or for no reason. Not quite as long as it usually is, but still a pretty darn long coast down time. Okay guys, this is a 2012 Hunter Mariner 52-inch outdoor ceiling fan. I know this fan actually had a model number, but I completely forgot what it was, and I am not going downstairs to get a ladder to look at it. So if you want to know a model number, go find someone who actually has one. I'm not doing it. But this fan is a really good fan for what it is, considering it's a newer fan. Hey, it is still a Hunter, you know. Just an excellent quality fan. Probably the best one Home Depot had. Here, I'll go ahead and pop you off the tripod here so we can just look at it. But yeah, that's my 2012 Hunter Mariner 52-inch ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.